In this Advanced Chakras Spa review, I'm going to go through everything you need to know about this chakras activation program. Your chakras have old programming and other people's energy in them that control your life and limit your authenticity, success, power, and happiness. This programming creates blocks to success and happiness, disappointment, frustration, or anxiety barriers to accessing your full potential. Instead of limiting you, your chakras can be activated and reprogrammed to automatically propel you forward to more synchronicities, success, happiness, and a greater satisfaction with your life. For most people, the greatest good they could do for themselves is to change their energy. Deepak Chopra. You know you are meant for more. A message from Art Geyser. Life can be wonderful, joyful, and satisfying, and it can also be difficult, frustrating, and challenging. When I look at people's energy fields, I feel deep compassion for them. How do people get through life with their energy system so clogged up? I'm so impressed that people do as well as they do in spite of all programming and energy that limits them. But I am sad that their lives are so much harder for them than it has to be, and that they are missing out on so much joy. My mission is to help people lead happier, successful, meaningful, loving, and joyful lives. Using energetic NLP, clearing, healing, activating, and reprogramming your chakras is easy and fun. Whether you are familiar with chakras or new and curious, this will be a life-enhancing experience. It is not a program where the focus is to learn about your chakras. Instead, in this Advanced Chakras Spa, you go beyond the limitations of the conscious mind and put your spirit and deep inner wisdom in charge. Clearing, healing, and reprogramming your chakras is then easy and natural. In the Advanced Chakras Spa program, you go beyond the limitations of your conscious mind. You set your goals, desires, and intentions. You put your spirit and inner wisdom in charge, relax, and let the magic happen. These videos were recorded during a 2-day virtual program art lead from amazing and magical Sedona, Arizona. Sedona is one of the most powerful sacred places on the planet. Thousands of people come to Sedona every year to receive the benefits of the sacred energy vortexes. In these sessions, art connects you to these amazing Sedona transformative energies, and yes, it works when watching the videos. Is this for me? Since you will learn how to put your deep inner wisdom and spirit in charge of how you benefit, everyone will have a unique experience. So both newbies and advanced practitioners will benefit. If you are new to energy work, wait until you experience what it is like to clear and activate your chakras. If you are already an advanced spiritual seeker, you will take your abilities to a much higher and more profound level. Art is a master in the art of possible, and what's possible will exceed your wildest expectations. That's from Elaine Hopkins. Heal and change. Unconscious, limiting beliefs and family programming. Energetic programming from your family, ancestors, and society. Normally sold for $477. On this page, sold for $47. Art Geyser's work powerfully combines NLP and energy utilization. He guides the individual to new levels of awareness that create a pathway to deeper connections with the instinctual self. Anne Gardner, PhD, NLP trainer. How will I benefit? Clear at least 12 chakras and activate them for a more miraculous life. Clear and heal unconscious programming and limiting beliefs. You will clear and update energetic programming, ancestral, societal, past life, childhood, and more. Create your miraculous self to guide and nurture you. No effort needed. No intention, permission, and playfulness. It will be easy, fun, and life-changing. It is possible to tap into a greater system of energetic support by aligning the consciousness and unconscious mind with your body, your personal inner wisdom, and your spirit. That is when the miraculous self emerges, and you gain access to greater energies and incredible spiritual support. But most people just don't know how to fully access them to live richer, stronger, joyful, and more abundant lives. Here's what the experts say about Art Geyser and Energetic LLP. Leslie Cameron Bandler, author and co-developer of Neuro-Linguistic Programming and Imperative Self-Analysis. Art is superb and a gifted trainer, one of the best. He combines warmth and humour with exceptional clarity, and is absolutely committed to his participants achieving their goals. Robert Dilts. Robert Dilts, major developer of NLP and author of only 15 books on applications of NLP. He can address the delicate personal and emotional terrain of human emotions, at the same time stay focused on achieving practical outcomes. I am frequently called upon to make referrals for a variety of coaching and consulting requests, and Art is always at the very top of my list. I wholeheartedly recommend him as a trainer, coach, consultant, and practitioner. Whatever the situation is, Art will be able to help. Olive Hickmott, author of several books on learning, healing, and energetic NLP, and the founder of the International Association for Health and Learning in the UK. Art can help people in very, very practical ways, with things they always struggle with, and where they were never able to find the answers to. The 4-day workshop was a resounding success. It exceeded all their expectations. They found they could do things they had no concept that they could do before. They can read other people's energy and help to heal them. Your miraculous self is created when you align the vast perspective of your spirit with the practical perspective of your deep inner human wisdom. When you are guided, nurtured, and supported by your miraculous self, you not only blossom spiritually, you do it in a way that makes your life happier, more successful, and satisfying. It makes your life more synchronistic and magical. It is possible to tap into a greater system of energetic support by aligning the conscious and unconscious mind with the body and your inner wisdom and the spirit. That is when the miraculous self emerges and access is given to the greater energies and incredible support that's available beyond what we see in front of us. People often describe Art Geyser's sessions as going to an energy spa. I don't have to work. I just set my intention, put my inner wisdom and spirit in charge, relax, and use the miraculous energies that Art brings in to wonderfully enhance my life. There will be actionable content, powerful ideas and concepts, and practical advice. Still, the heart of this program are energetic NLP energy spas. In this program, you will go way beyond the limitations of thinking and logic. You will put your inner wisdom and spirit in charge and use the extremely powerful energies Art will bring to clear, heal, and replace energetic and unconscious programming and limiting beliefs. And then they are automatically replaced by inner wisdom and information from your spirit. Your life will seem to magically improve. You won't have to effort, think hard, be serious, or analyse yourself. Your miraculous abilities will blossom more quickly when we are having fun, letting it flow, and unleashing the abilities that are already inside every human being. If you have already participated in sessions with Art Geyser, you already know how powerful and enjoyable the energy will be. Old constricting energies will be released from your cells, chakras, and energy field. You will connect with powerful and enjoyable energies that open up more of your untapped potential. Combined, it brings a greater feelings of well-being, abundance, and potential. It will let you access more of your potential for happiness, success, love, vitality, and abundance. After experiencing the release of old, limiting energies from your body, then accessing the nurturing support and well-being that's always there for everyone, you will fully understand why we call the sessions the Energetic NLP Energy Spa. 100% money-back guarantee. No risk to you. 100-day guarantee. We've taken all the risks out of making the decision to say yes to yourself. Any questions? Email us at support@energeticnlp.com. Art Geyser. Frequently asked questions. I am not sure if I'm ready to do the program. So if you are attracted to this program, if you want a better, happier, and more authentic life, waiting is the energy of happiness and success. What is the cost in self-esteem, happiness, health, money, and joy to not live in an authentic life? What is the cost of holding yourself back? Do I have to wait I am motivated to start transforming my life now. We love that you are ready to get into action. You can get started immediately with the online energy spa sessions. What does it mean that I feel attracted to signing up, but I feel some resistance? If you feel some resistance 99.9% of the time, this is a positive sign. When you're about to embark on a program that will wonderfully enhance your life, it often activates unconscious childhood, ancestral, spiritual, and family programming that will try to hold you back. Will it be hard work? Absolutely not. You will put your spirit and inner wisdom in charge, access the transformative energies, and let the magic happen. What if I'm not sure if the program is for me? We take the risk. If you decide that the program is not for you, which is unlikely, you have 100 days to ask and receive a refund. You have 5 things to decide. Do you have a deep desire to open up more of your potential and live a miraculous life? What is this COI, cost of inaction, for you not healing and activating your chakras for more success, vitality, and happiness? Do you want to feel more confident and powerful and have a deeper satisfaction with your life? Do you think you are worthy and deserving of investing time and money into your personal and spiritual development? We know you are, but do you? Click here for the Advanced Chakras Spa special discount. Get Advanced Chakras Spa today for $47. Thank you for watching this Advanced Chakras Spa review.